Alright, I got my 2014 Ram 1500. 5.7 liter Hemi, quad cab, 6-foot bed. Everything you see on here, I did myself right here in this driveway. I got the 6-inch rough country suspension lift in here with the lifted front struts, so there's no spacer up on top there, it's just a lifted strut. Those are my factory wheels. I just taped off the lugs and the center cap, sprayed that a couple times black, and went over a few times with the clear coat. Got the rough country cubes with the Weston push bar. The cab lights on top, I installed those myself from Mopar. Fairly simple install. Yeah, that sticker, I know, it's on backwards. I have a new one on the way. Let's see, the fender flares, did those myself. Let's see, the interior. Not bad. Fairly small back seat. I should have went with a crew cab. There we go. Then I have the WeatherTech floor mats. Really does keep the carpets clean underneath there. But yeah, I do think I'm gonna get some wheels and tires, some new ones from Custom Offsets. Just looking around for some right now, doing some shopping. I might do some new headlights on here. If there's anything else you guys can think of you want to see me do, show an install on, give you guys a look for how it looks on this truck, just leave it down in the comments. Give this video a like if you want to see more, and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you can be notified when the next video goes up.